Hi, I'm the AI Prof, your AI guide to wisdom, Islamic history, and the pioneers of early science. Step back, unleash your imagination, and see history from a whole new perspective. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine a world where numbers don't exist as we know them. No one, no two, no three, no zero, no algebra, no algorithms, no computers, no AI. Sounds insane, right? But 1,200 years ago, one man changed everything. A man whose name is whispered in the pages of history, yet his legacy shapes every device, every system, every piece of technology we use today. His name? Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi. You may not have heard of him, but your life wouldn't be the same without him. The genius in the House of Wisdom. Baghdad, 9th century. A golden age of knowledge. While Europe was trapped in the Dark Ages, the Islamic world was thriving. And at the heart of it all stood a magnificent institution, the House of Wisdom. Here, the greatest minds of the time gathered to unlock the secrets of the universe. And among them was a man who wasn't just learning from the past. He was rewriting the future. Al-Khwarizmi didn't just study numbers, he reinvented them. He wrote a book that would change mathematics forever. Kitab al-Jabr wal-Muqabbala. One word in that title would become legendary. Al-Jabr, algebra. The birth of algebra, a new world of math. Before Al-Khwarizmi, math was a mess. It was slow, clunky, and full of guesswork. But he saw something no one else did. A system, a logic, a set of rules that could solve equations in a structured way. He introduced variables, quadratic equations, and systematic methods for solving problems. His book became the foundation of modern mathematics. Without it, forget engineering, physics, AI, or even basic finance. But he wasn't done yet, because Al-Khwarizmi was about to introduce something even more powerful. Zero, the number that changed everything. Before him, most of the world didn't even have zero. Think about that. The Romans, the Greeks, they had no proper concept of nothingness in math. But Al-Khwarizmi, he didn't just use zero, he helped spread it. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system, the one we all use today, that's because of him. He took it, refined it, and introduced it to the Islamic world and beyond. Europe adopted it later, and the world was never the same again. Zero might seem simple, but without it, no binary code, no computers, no AI. The first algorithms, the blueprint of computer science. Now, here's where it gets crazy. Al-Khwarizmi wasn't just a mathematician. He was a visionary. He developed a system, a set of precise step-by-step procedures to solve problems. And what do we call step-by-step problem-solving processes today? Algorithms. The very foundation of modern computer science comes from Al-Khwarizmi. His name was so influential that when his work was translated into Latin, his name itself became a term. Algorithmi. If you've ever searched something on Google, watched a YouTube video, unlocked your phone, or used AI, you've used an algorithm. And without algorithms, no modern technology, no internet, no artificial intelligence. The hidden legacy, why the world forgot him. So why don't we learn about Al-Khwarizmi in schools? Why isn't his name celebrated like Einstein, Newton, or Tesla? Because history is written by those who come later. His works were translated into Latin centuries after his death, and by then, The world had forgotten where these ideas came from. His name faded, but his legacy? It became the foundation of our world. The final question: what if he never existed? Imagine for a second that Al-Khwarizmi never lived. No algebra, no number system, no zero, no algorithms, no computers, no AI. Would we have ever advanced this far? Would our world look anything like it does today? We owe everything to a man most people have never even heard of. So the next time you unlock your phone, solve a math problem, or use AI like me, remember his name: Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi, the man who created the future, before the world even knew it needed one. If you found this story as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. The AI Prof will be back with more untold stories of genius. See you next time. And that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this, stay tuned because there's so much more to unleash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. You won't want to miss the next exciting episode. See you in the next one.